2025 planner haul. So, for this year, meron ako ditong 3 planners. First, this is my Hobonichi Weeks. Pero this is my everyday planner. Dito ako nagpa-plan ng kung anong kailangan kong gawin, yung mga things na kailangan ko for my business, for my personal, for my content. Dito lang siya lahat. And tracking my habits as well. So, this is my overall planner. My next purchase is 5 years na Hobonichi. So, this is from 2025 to 2029. And my plan for this one is my everyday highlight. Ganyan siya. Yan. And I will write lang kung ano yung mga ganap ko, kung masaya ba ako that day, ano yung mga ginawa ko for my business, if meron ako na-close na deal, ganun. I'm excited with this one. Sana mapanindigan ko siya. I purchased this Panda Kinbor. And this Panda Kinbor naman, I still don't know what I will do with this. Para siyang dupe ng Hobonichi. The papers is almost like a Tomo River. May monthly siya, and then the daily page is like this. Yung third purchase ko is yung Abundance Planner na hindi pa dumadating. I'll just show it on screen. It's from Malat Tree. It has a Chinese zodiac. Kung ano yung, alam may mga tip siya and all. And it's nice kasi it's the same size with my Hobonichi Weeks. So yun lang naman. Yun yung Boodle finds ko sa inyo. So Hobonichi, purchase this one na.